guys, Meteorologist Chris Tomer here with this afternoon mountain weather update. A look at some of the new data and the new trends coming up here. But first, I want to show you this. Really cool. Very detailed records. This is the UC Berkeley Central Sierra Snow Lab. Donner Summit in California. You can see, I mean, this goes back to prior 1950. Again, very detailed snow records. So where do we stand? Well, look at it. Accumulated snow for 2023, 677 inches at the Central Sierra Snow Lab. 677. So just blew past 1983, which was at 671. Blew past 2011, which was at 643. So we're in second place, or the CSSL is in second place behind 1952. 1952, 812 inches of snow fell at the lab. That's a lot of snow. There's no question we're going to crack 700 inches, but will we make it to 812? That's a tough one. Can we put on another 100 plus inches? Don't know. But the pattern remains active for a while. So I just wanted to show you that. Really cool stuff. All right, to the bullet points. So we've got a very snowy period ahead with 2 or 3 different storm systems coming into the west. Some of them will go through California, not all of them. The Wasatch, heavy snow, 320 through 324, and then potentially some additional snow on 326. Western and southwest Colorado is in for a banner stretch here. 320 through 326. I mean, we're going to see 2 different storm systems come through the area, maybe even 3, and lay down just consistent snowfall in western and southwest Colorado with feet of accumulation, big-time avalanche danger. In the northeast, initially we're going to have rain, 323, and then snow, 325, 326, and probably 328. So we'll look at all those interesting trends coming up here in just a few minutes. I want to take you to this. This is my blog, updated this morning, pattern through end of March. Oh, by the way, Brighton officially cracked 700 inches, 703. There are a lot of other resorts that are going to make it to 700 this year. There's your pattern. You can see the next storm cycle taking shape, getting ready to move in. The forecast pattern, this was from this morning, valid 329. Now things have changed just a little bit, the position of the low. Let me just show you what it looks like this afternoon. It's a little more progressive, a little more into the heart of the Intermountain West. So it'll basically slide through California and then into Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, northern New Mexico. So that's one of the pieces to this puzzle through the end of the month. The pattern does remain active. You can see a definite area of low pressure sitting right in the Intermountain West. All right, I want to talk about forecast timing, forecast radar and satellite. So by Tuesday morning, you can see the next low hitting California, moving heavy snow into the interior, Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, and then we wait for the next low. Here it comes, a little more to the north out of the Pacific Northwest as it begins to make its move. That'll spread snow down through pretty much all of the northern tier, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado, and this ends on 325 with potentially another storm system coming through. I did do a breakout of Crested Butte. You can see what I'm expecting. Heavy snow through 322, a little bit of a break on 23, and then another shot of snow, 24, and consistent snow all the way down through 26. I looked at the rain snow line for forecast rain snow line for Tahoe. You can see my totals from this morning. Let me show you what I'm thinking this afternoon. So the rest of today through the 22nd, another 6 to 12 for the Tetons and the Wasatch. Heavy snow in Colorado, especially western and southwest Colorado. We could be looking at 1 to 3 feet of snow during that time frame. So let me show you period 2, 23 through 28. Another foot in the Tetons. It's going to be a great stretch for the Tetons. Another 8 or so in the Wasatch, and in Colorado another 6 to 12. If that happens, then western and southwest Colorado could be in that 2 to 4 foot grand total category by 329. That's a lot of snow. And in the northeast, again, this snow comes later in the period, but you can see maybe 6 to 12 inches of grand total snow by 329. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We have got a heck of a stretch here. Really active stretch. This has been an unbelievable season for parts of the West. So be careful out there. Be safe. Thanks for tuning in here. Always appreciate it. Take care.